Myself, Srinivas Ramdas Gundeli, Assistant Professor in E.R. Burla Mahila Varishth Mahavidyalaya Solapur, teaching the subject income tax to the students of BCom, and specifically today I am going to explain various provisions as applicable to section 80D of the Income Tax Act. 80D of the Income Tax Act specifically discusses various issues relating to medical or health insurance policy. Medical or health insurance policy can be taken either on the life of self and also on the health of spouse and children. Assessee can take such medical or health insurance policy covering the health of his parents and pay the premium on the policy taken by him on self, spouse, children and parents. Maximum amount deductible under section 80D is general deduction of rupees 25,000. This general deduction of rupees 25,000 includes rupees 5,000 for preventive health checkup. Preventive health checkup means, as a matter of precaution, if the assessee goes to a hospital and if he gets himself checked up, his health is checked up from such hospital for any kind of health checkup, and if he pays if he expend the amount for such a medical health checkup, maximum of rupees 5,000 is allowed as deduction under section 80D of the income tax. But be aware that general deduction of rupees 25,000 includes rupees 5,000 for such preventive health checkup expenditure. Further, if the assessee is a senior citizen and he takes a health policy and pays premium, in this situation, being he is a senior citizen, he can claim maximum up to 50,000 as a deduction under section 80D. Even the premium paid on the life of parents, on the health of the parents, and if the parents are senior citizens, then maximum deduction he can be able to claim of rupees 1 lakh, because assessee is a senior citizen, the parents are also the senior citizens. Example, for example, we will discuss few examples. First example, the assessee and his family members are not senior citizens and paid health insurance premium of say rupees 20,000, and parents are also not senior citizens and their premium paid of rupees 60,000. Thus, in this situation, assessee paid 80,000 premium on self, spouse, children and parents. In this case, total deduction can be claimed of rupees 45,000, that is 20,000 for self, spouse and children, and out of 60,000 maximum 25,000 can be claimed because parents are not senior citizens. Thus, he can be able to claim 45,000 as deduction. Second example, only parents are senior citizens and the assessee and his spouse and children are not senior citizens. If the assessee pays premium of rupees 20,000 and paid 60,000 on the health insurance policy of parents who are senior citizens, in this case, assessee paid total premium of rupees 80,000. Out of this 80,000, he can be able to claim maximum 70,000, 20,000 being self, and out of 60,000, 50,000 eligible deduction of his senior citizen parents. Thus, maximum 70,000 can be claimed under section 80D of the Income Tax Act. And the last example, in this case, assessee is a senior citizen and paid premium on health insurance policy premium paid of rupees 55,000 and the rupees 60,000 premium paid on the health insurance of parents who are also senior citizen. Thus, total amount of premium paid in this case is 1,15,000. Out of 1,15,000, the assessee can be able to claim deduction of rupees 1 lakh. 50 out of 55,000 of self 50,000 is eligible, and parents health insurance policies premium of rupees 60,000, only 50,000 is eligible. Thus, maximum rupees 60,000 can be claimed as deduction. Now, one of the most important element and significant consideration is that the premium amount must be paid otherwise than by cash. Means, whenever an assessee takes a health insurance policy, and the annual premium must be paid by him either by account pay bank check, account pay bank draft, or through internet banking system, or through any electronic mode of payment such as Google Pay, Paytm, Bheem app, or any other mode of electronic payment. So, whenever any agent of health insurance policy insists for making payment of such premium in cash, one should be very much careful for not to make payment in cash, because if he pays premium in cash, then he will not be eligible to claim such cash paid premium as a deduction under Section 80D of the Income Tax Act. So, one should be very much careful about making payment of premium by bank account pay check, account pay bank draft, or any other electronic mode of payment, and should not paid in cash. Okay. Now, let's discuss the benefits of medical insurance policy. Why we should take a medical insurance policy? Because nowadays medical treatment became a costly affair. Anybody admits in the hospital, the cost incurred nowadays, daily expenditure in the hospital, IPD, OPD, specifically IPD, if the admitted in the hospital, huge amount of expenses are to be incurred, which is not affordable to a common man. Specifically, poor and middle class people, they never afford to incur such medical treatment expenses. So, these poor and medium class people must take a health insurance policy so as to safeguard themselves from unforeseen medical emergencies. In this case, if a medical insurance policy is taken and if the hospital is covered under cashless facility, then the assessee should submit only policy document with the hospital and get themselves treated, and he need not to incur a single rupee in the form of expenses. However, total amount of expenses should not exceed the policy amount. If it is not covered under cashless facility, first of all, the assessee is to pay the amount by out of his packet, and then later on those amount will be reimbursed from the insurance company. Thus, he will be safeguarded. Thus, this is the type of social security scheme. So, every person must take a health insurance policy so as to safeguard themselves from unforeseen or contingent events in future. In this video, just I have attached another video of another author explaining the provisions of Section 80D in detail, and also an image is fixed giving detailed deduction available under Section 80D of the Income Tax Act. So I will suggest